something with our bare hands. Our dead are buried behind that wall, in this ground. Our ground. The grounders think they can take that away. They think that because we came from the sky, we don't belong here. But they're yet to realize one very important fact.
Way down in my
We're on the ground now. And that means we are grounders.
In the place of my mother.
I say let 'em come.
Will not let me go. Well, I know that there can come a fire from the sky to refine.